This episode, we're going to be installing the lower link bars.
Hey, welcome back everybody. Eric here from Himmel Farm Adventures. Back on the S10 after about 10 days on vacation. So, hope everybody's well. Let's get after it. Last time I left off, I had removed both leaf springs, both sides, and the brackets. And now I'm just centering up the axle. Alright, so just centering up the axle here. I made me a piece 38 and a quarter. That was the measurement I took from the cab to the inside edge of the axle tube. We're gonna get the other side done, get that all centered up, and move on to putting some plates on the frame. All right, we got her all centered up here. Starting to put my lower links on. All right, I got a little ahead of myself. I got this back bracket here on the back side tacked on. Now I'm gonna go measure up the front, figure out where I got to put my plate, tack that plate in, and then tack the front lower link bracket on. Alright, I got this side all set up, all centered, squared on the back end of the axle. Gonna get her tacked in, and then we'll work on the front. Let's get busy. Alright, that all tacked up. Let me get the plate ready and get that all tacked into. Alright, let's get this tacked in. Normally I would only tack those in, but because of the style of the brackets, I can't weld the bottom with the bracket in the way, so I went ahead and just welded up the plates. Alright, let's get this other side tacked in so we can say we're done with, well, not done, but at least got the brackets tacked in. That tacked in. Alright. So we got this bracket in here, sticking up a little high, so I'm going to cut about halfway all the way across here. I'm going to pound this down and bring this down here, and I'm going to weld them two together and make it even stronger on both sides. Alright, I got both sides cut. Got them both beat down. I'm going to put a tack right here and here. Probably 4 tacks on each. I'm going to put it down. See where that goes. Okay, we're all tacked in, cooled down. I took the link off because I didn't want to melt the bushing. But she's all tacked in. I think that's going to wrap it up for today. I can't put my upper links in until my tubing comes in. Not sure when that is. I'll have to check my order. But for now, I got this temporary brace back here. Just kind of keep the width of the frame in some shape or form. Well, looks good so far. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I got a little announcement here. So all of my social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and now YouTube, kind of the content on there has been kind of crazy. One has kind of bled into the other. I'm trying to separate them. So I'm gonna be in the near future changing the name of my YouTube page to Easy Garage. Just wanted to announce it here. So if you see a name and you're like, wait a minute, it's not Himmel Farm Adventures, that's why. So all of my stuff in the garage, the truck, the razor, anything that I do on the tractor, that's all going to be done there. And the stuff at the house, the garden, the chickens, probably going to keep that on Instagram and TikTok. So not sure. May do another YouTube page of our camper, all the places we go, places we take the razor. Gary and Crystal normally go with us. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thanks for sticking around to the end for the announcement. You guys have a good one. And as always, in off-road world, all gas, no cable.